Hello, so today I'm gonna do a kind of a mauve, purplish, pinkish eye, I think. Yeah, today that's my vibe, So just let's get started. So as you can see, I already put the foundation on. So the foundation, I'm using the Laura CA and the number 7 foundation. Each foundation 1 pump, mix them together, and it will have really good results. Kind of satin finish. It's medium coverage, yeah, because I don't like kind of a full coverage foundation. And one thing is, excuse my voice, because my nose is stuffy and I'm sick this couple of days. So just please bear with me. I already put a little bit of foundation on my eyelids, so I don't want to put too much things. So we just start to do the eye makeup. Today I'm gonna focus on this palette. This is Color Ring Queen of Hearts palette. This color range you can create lots of look. Just use these shades. It's really good. I really like this palette. So first I'm gonna grab these shades. Excuse, just please bear with me. Today my energy is a little bit lower than the other video, to prime my eyelids. And today I just cannot control myself to blow my nose. And then I will grab this kind of pinkish mauve shades. I really love this shades. It's unique. This shade is stunning. It kind of have a little bit of gray and brown undertone to it. It's kind of a dusty rose shades. But I don't think the camera, you see it on camera is the same as in person. I don't know. And then I'm gonna grab this shade. It's called, by the way, the pinkish shades is called Princess. And I just put this Duchess kind of deep brown shades in the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna use the Sigma E47. Make them similar. I'm gonna use this kind of shades. Yeah, it's metallic shades, really beautiful. Just use your finger. Yeah. Every time I'm sick or getting cold, my eyes is watering and my nose is stuffy. Oh my god. And excuse my hair, because this long is quite, awkward. I don't know how to style this kind of long hair. My hair right now is up to here. Yeah. And I want to curl them, but if this much long hair I curl them, it's not flattery on me, So every time you can see, I just put all the hair back to a little ponytail. Actually, it's not kind of ponytail, And still I will grab these shades to intensify the outer corner of my eye. Cat effect. Right? Okay, it's pretty much done, and I will quick finish the other eye, and then I will be back. The other eye is done, so right now next I'm gonna conceal my face. Use a Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fear, because this concealer is a way too full coverage. So every time I use it, I grab lots of them into the tube. And then I use this Eco Tool sponge. I don't think this one is as good as the Real Technique, you know, it's kind of hard, but it's okay. An excuse if you can hear a man is talking the Cantonese, it's my boyfriend. Today he's home, so you know, every time every people speak Cantonese, always really loud, especially him, you know, you can hear right now. I'm gonna set my under eyes. Use the RCMA No Color Powder. And then I would start to do my under eye. I'm gonna use this pink shade called Princess. And then I use this kind of flat definer brush to use this same shade called Duchess to the outside of my lower lash line, close to the lower lashes, to fix my brows, because personally I have really bushy brows, so every time I fill my brow I just use whatever I got, like eyeshadow, you know, use this kind of brush to brush up and quick fill them in. Before I always use the Anastasia brow product, like a browies, definer, but I stopped using this because my mother took all of my brow pencil. So, and she didn't tell me, you know, she didn't tell me she took all of my brow pencil, and then I have nothing to use on my brow, and I tried to use the eyeshadow palette, you know, but it's still can work, and then I just didn't buy it. If you ask me which one is more youthful, more quick to do your eyebrow, I'm gonna say it's browies. Yeah, for me it's browies. Kind of, it's up to your personal preference. And set my browies with Educase brow gel. And then I will line my eyes with LA Girl. But because I'm sick, my eyes is really watery. It's kind of hard to get the pigment. Mascara to coat my lashes. Use L'Oreal Voluminous. Okay, I already put the lashes on, and then I'll do the rest of my face. And browns, I'm using this Essence. It's already saved lots of time. light. I will highlight my face, use Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. This highlighter is collaboration with Amrezy. You know that one. I already do the review of this. It's quite good. I forgot to highlight my brow bone. I still use this and then I will use the Mauve and spray too. I'm gonna use the matte. It's called So Select. And then the look is complete. Thank you so much for your watching, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and every time I post a new video you will know.